Tip number 6, if you want to transfer angles to cut, measure, etc., here's an interesting tip. So here we have an angle where we want to cut a little filler to go in over here. We mark the angle out according to our folding rule, so it's adjusted. And all we do to make sure that we can transfer this is we set it to a measurement. So the measurement there is 96.5. So now we measure out once again our measurement to 96.7, which there it is over there. And we very simply transfer our measurement to our piece of wood. So there we've cut out the angle, which will now fit directly and neatly into the shape.